Adobe InDesign is well known for its OpenType support. But this doesn't mean that all users of InDesign use OpenType to its full potential or at all. Which is a shame, since it can easily and significantly improve the typographic quality of your design work. Just look at this simple example and watch how fast we can go from this to this. And you can easily do this yourself if you have a good understanding of OpenType features and their use in Adobe InDesign. Unfortunately, the OpenType options in InDesign can be somewhat hidden, they are scattered across multiple places and can even be activated by settings that aren't labeled as OpenType options. And if you don't know what an OpenType feature does from reading just the menu entry, chances are you just ignore it and never use it. This online course will tackle all these problems. It's a complete guide to how to use OpenType in Adobe InDesign. I will explain in detail which OpenType features are available in InDesign, what they do, where to find them, and I will tell you in which situations you should use them. The only requirement would be that you have worked with InDesign and the text tool before, but other than that, this course can be useful to InDesign users of all experience levels. So if you want to improve the typographic quality of your designs when working with InDesign, I encourage you to take this course.